What plant are you grabbing?
The lily trout.
Yes.
Japanese milkweed, excellent source of resveratrol.
Now with the struggle to get the root. Look at that deep piece. Wow, look how deep it is.
It smells like a potato.
Yeah. My spirit, in all parts of my mind. I'm about to be killed. I'm already killed.
Like a pea sauce
Okay,
and
hold on.
smell it.
A whole feast.
And what does it smell like?
It smells like mustard and garlic. Literally. It literally does. It truly does. It's amazing.
Water, you could juice it, and it's cleansing. It's a diuretic.
I just can't believe how in love I am with this mugwort.
Oh, the mugwort, right?
Look, I wouldn't have guessed. Because it will give you that stinging feeling.
Right there.
Yes.
Wood ear mushroom.
It's so jelly-like.
You see that?
Yeah.
Oh my god,
This is a wrap. It only took us 48 years, but we found one.